In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the Google Docs toolbar bigger. This is a quick and straightforward process that you can accomplish in just a few steps. Let's dive right in. To start, one of the fastest ways to enlarge the toolbar in Google Docs is by using a simple keyboard and mouse shortcut. If you're using a mouse with a scroll wheel, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then use the scroll wheel to zoom in. As you scroll, you'll notice the toolbar at the top of your Google Docs screen getting larger. This can make navigating your tools much more comfortable, especially if you find the default size a bit small. However, I understand that not everyone has a mouse with a scroll wheel. If you're using an older mouse that lacks this feature, don't worry, there's an easy alternative for you. In the top right corner of your Google Docs, you'll see a set of 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those. This opens up a menu with various options. From there, you'll want to find the option labeled Zoom. You can adjust the zoom level by clicking the plus sign, which will enlarge the entire view, including the toolbar. One thing to note as you make these adjustments is that increasing the zoom level will also make your document pages appear larger. If you find that the page size is now too big for your liking, there's a simple fix for that as well. Just click on the zoom percentage at the bottom right corner of your screen, set by default for page view, and adjust the zoom to a proportion that feels just right to you. This way, you get the best of both worlds, a larger, more readable toolbar without compromising the layout of the document you're working on. By making these simple adjustments, you'll enhance your work efficiency and make your time spent in Google Docs considerably more comfortable. And that's how you can make the Google Docs toolbar bigger. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and consider leaving a comment or subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and have a great day.